So huge thank you to Rosalind for reaching out to me and asking me to sort of showcase this 6-piece collection. Every single polish is gorgeous. I'm about to swatch all of them right now, but I'm also going to follow that up with a design that I did on Nana. I did a design on Nana tonight, Nana's Nubs. Yes, honey. And we did sort of a non-traditional fall type of a design. You guys, please do not pigeonhole yourselves into, only doing fall designs with yellow, red, and orange, or only doing Halloween designs with purple, orange, black, green, white, yellow. You know what I'm saying? Like, keep it all open. For an example, about almost 6 years ago, I did my all-time favorite, one of my all-time favorite manis. It was a wintertime design and I used neon pink. I did a radial gradient. I did double stamping. It was a maze. I'm gonna put a link to that right up here. I'm telling y'all, I was obsessed with this mani, and honestly, I still am. And also this neon Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween design that I freaking loved. So you guys, please don't hesitate to just branch out, try unconventional colors. So let me just show you guys quickly these colors, and I'm about to swatch these on some pop sticks, and then we'll get on into Nana's mani. However, it was a bit of a struggle because we fought fuzz the entire time. Unfortunately, my nail art was just a smidge bit lacking because I'm not the best freehand nail artist. It's gonna be gorge. Stay tuned. Thank you again, Rosalind, for sending this 6-piece collection to me to swatch and review on my channel. Before I get into the swatches and the Battle of the Fuzz, I did want to let y'all know that I have a 10% off code, a 10% discount code for this 6-piece collection on Amazon. The code is only valid through December the 31st of this year. So I have the code in my description box. Copy that, double click on that, copy it, and then hit the link. It will take you straight to this product listing on Amazon. Pop it in your cart, and then when you check out, paste that code into your cart and you will get 10% off. Okay, y'all, the Battle of the Fuzz. First of all, we eventually, I think eventually realized where the hell this fuzz was coming from. Nana had on this pullover hoodie. It wasn't a zip, otherwise I would have taken it off of her. But it was a pullover hoodie, and it was made of like acrylic, like that acrylic, like the wiry. This wasn't like puffy fuzz, y'all. This wasn't floofy, fluffy fuzz. This was that wiry stuff that just sweet niblets. I wanted to burn my entire house to the ground. Baby, when I tell you, I wanted to burn it to the ground along with her hoodie, but I couldn't get it off of her. I couldn't take the hoodie off of her without pulling it over her head, and which would have made an even bigger mess on her nails. So we powered through. But I did her nails before I did these swatches. So unfortunately, some of my polishes that you're seeing me swatch right now had some fuzz in them. So you're going to see me do a lot of a lot of swiping, unnecessary swiping. And it's not because I'm trying to add more product to my swatch, my pop stick. It's because I'm trying to wipe off this damn fuzz, y'all. Okay, so that's the last swatch. Now we're about to dive on in to Nana's Nubs, Nana's Nubs. All right, y'all know I am no freehand artiste, but these are the 4 colors that we're gonna put into this design. And I kept a lot of this footage in here. I just sped it up. I was really impressed with the coverage of this white, and we're already about to start the Battle of the Fuzz. That's going down in history. The Battle of the Fuzz, 2022. The Battle of the Fuzz. But the coverage was really nice. It's not a super stark white. It's not like, I don't know, paper white, bright white. But yeah, I gotta wipe off some fuzz. Oh, Lord. Anyway, I do sort of give y'all the overview of all of these swatches after I do her nail art. But I'm just gonna walk y'all through kind of what I'm doing here. I did want to get my coverage, obviously, as even as I can. Even on one coat, y'all. Even on one coat, that was pretty freaking opaque for kind of a not stark white, but not milky white. I don't know. I was really impressed. So I'm gonna go in and sort of this is her patchwork nail, and I could have made both of her accent nails look so much more amazing, but I was committed to the idea of only using the colors that came in this kit. Like, I could have done her little stitches on her patchwork in black or like a dark brown or something, but I was like, nope, I'm just gonna use these 6 colors on her nails. So I did sort of like a skittle, a bit of a skittle mani. You know, I'm gonna use 3 colors on this accent nail, and then paint the rest of her nails, you know, different colors and whatnots. So basically, I can do a lot of things in life. Apparently, drawing a straight line on a curved nail ain't one of them. So I did struggle. I struggled mightily with my little triangle things. I don't know, my little patchworks. But honestly, that was nothing compared to the damn pumpkin y'all about to see. Ciao. Ciao. That's all I can say. But thankfully for y'all, I sped it up. You know what? And I kept all this footage in here because my whole channel is based on nail art in real life. And this is nail art in real life, y'all. We all have these struggles. We ain't all professional, you know. And even the professionals, they make mistakes, you know, during their many times and their nail arts and whatnots. But a lot of them cut that shit out of their videos, and you don't see that. So it appears as though they are absolutely perfect, and perfection does not exist, y'all. My channel, in the words of the amazing James Welsh, my channel is about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. So yeah, Battle of the Fuzz. Back to the Battle of the Fuzz. Okay, so again, you're just going to see lots of brushwork, I guess you could say, because I'm trying to either scrape off some fuzz. This one I think was a bit of a nightmare. All right, I can't. Yeah, see, I'd had it. It was a huge chunky fuzz. Even Nana's like, ooh, I see it right there. So it was just constant, and it was pretty much every polish at this point. So we're just, we're powering through. We're just gonna power through. So I've pretty much got her right hand finished. You know, the patchwork's done, and the rest of her nails are all painted, you know, different colors, whatnots. So now we are going to go into her, what is this? Her left hand. Yep. And apparently I forgot to record my first coat of my pumpkin, you guys. So we're going to do a white pumpkin. And I'm thinking, how freaking hard can this be? I know I've done pumpkins before. Now, I could have just stamped a damn pumpkin on this nail, but I was like, nope. We're going to power through the hand-drawn nail art very poorly. Very poorly. Okay, I could have just stopped here, but I didn't. And at this point, I'm like, what the hell? Am I drawing a basketball? No. Here, let's add another worthless line where a line don't need to be. Yeah. So I'm looking at this thing, and honestly, I don't know what I'm thinking at this point, because then I'm like, no, let's add another line. Yeah. Girl, no, absolutely not. And even Nana's like, okay, that was a struggle, so we're just gonna wipe that off. And we're gonna try it again. We're gonna try it again. Okay, it's looking like we may, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. And I'm fighting with my camera because I keep hitting my brush on my camera mount. So, okay. Kind of okay. We're kind of okay. And then here I go adding another. I literally did the exact same freaking thing that I did the first time. So nope. Heck no. So let's add some more of this polish that I freaking wasted. So on to take number 3. Now we're going to start with a different shape. A little bit of a heart shape. Got a little indentation up there at the top. And at this point, I'm thinking, if this don't work, we just gonna be stamping. We just gonna stamp a pumpkin and let it be. So, okay, I'm thinking, okay, made a little bit of mistake here, whatever, wipe it off. So I'm thinking, I think we've got it. Now, it is so basic, but I don't care. Honest to God, I don't care. I'm like, let me throw a stem on this hoe, okay, in one of them wiggledy-piggledy, squiggly lines that I think's supposed to be the vine or something. I don't know. This nail was trash. All my nail art, all my freehand nail art anyway, is trash. But of course, Nana loves it. She's my mama. She's very biased. So she was happy. That's all that mattered, I guess. So I'm just gonna squiggle and wiggle my way out of this, out of this freaking nail. And yeah. Oh Lord. Okay, hold on, you guys. Oh my gosh. I can't. I can't. I cannot with this. But again, I'm leaving all this in here. I figure if I had to suffer going through it, y'all gonna have to suffer watching it. There just ain't no two ways about it. So I think we're gonna get, oh my God, look at it. Look at it. But you know what? I caught it. I saw it. And I had to do some surgery with my tweezers, and I pulled that SOB right out of there. Look, it's like the wiry fuzz. Oh, sweet jeez. Okay, so now we're done, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, okay, I think we're done. Maybe not. You'll probably see me pulling off more fuzz. Anyway, like I said, Nana was happy. And again, I don't know. It could have been better. The nail art could have been better on so many levels, especially if I had not committed to just using the 6 colors in this collection. Like, I could have added some shading to my pumpkin. Maybe. I don't know. I'm probably not very good at that either. Or I could have done my little vine and stems, whatever, my pumpkin details in a different color, like green or something. I don't know. That's about it. So we're going to oil her up. Again, she was happy. She walked away happy. And, of course, thanks me profusely for doing her nails. So now I'm just going to wrap this video with my thoughts and my feelings about this ROSALIND collection. So thank you again, ROSALIND, and until next time. Here are the swatches of all 6 of these polishes. I love every single one, but TBH, I'm not seeing a huge difference between these 2 pinks. Full disclosure, what I'm seeing through my camera and probably what you may be seeing right now on your screen, these colors are not true to life, and it's really a shame. I mean, the hues are the same. Yes, that's fine. But I feel like they're more saturated on film, on camera. Like this one right here, which is probably my favorite. I'm actually sort of referring to this internally as a gravender. It's a grayed out lavender. Which is probably what you're seeing here. It's a gravender, but in real life, it is so much softer. I feel like this is much more saturated, and it looks like a deeper purple, a deeper lavender than what's really coming across. And right now, what I do see 2 different colors of pink, which they are. They are different colors of pink, but in real life, they're so much softer. They're so much softer, and they're almost indistinguishable. I'm sorry. But let me tell y'all, the coverage on these 2 especially, they could be 1 coat. Of course, I never recommend only doing 1 coat of a cream. So absolutely do 2 coats. Of course, I did 2 coats on everything because that's just what I do. And this is not I'm not going to say this is not a stark white. It's not. But it's not sheer enough to really be classified as like milky. I don't know. This is a conundrum. This is a conundrum. But 2 coats, still fully opaque. I loved that. I loved all of these, but let me just put these down. This one, my fave. My fave. This is my pick of all 6 of these. Gravender. Gravender. I don't know. Is that even a thing? I'm making it a thing. This is C012. It's absolutely beautiful. And as I said, please try to incorporate, if you do nail art, maybe you don't do nail art, but don't be afraid to incorporate unconventional colors in your conventional nail art, right? Like I said, just do crazy, wacky, kooky colors for Halloween. Do, you know, unconventional colors for Christmas, for Hanukkah, for Thanksgiving, for St. Patty's Day. Oh my God, I would love to see a crazy, kooky St. Patty's Day design with these. Anyway, that's just me because I love crazy and kooky and unconventional. Don't forget, I do have a 10% off discount for this 6-piece set. My discount code is only valid on this listing on Amazon and is only valid through December the 31st. As of right now, the 6-piece collection is $10 and change. It's like $10 and 30 something cents. So use my discount code, which is 10% off for this 6-piece collection. Click the link in the description box below and use the code that I have in the description box below. It will knock off an extra 10%. So you guys can probably pick up all 6 of these beauties for around $9. Pick them up. Grab them while you can. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you're like, ew, I'm really not digging your whole idea of non-conventional colors for fall, for Halloween, blah, blah, blah. Or let me know. Let me know if you are on Team Tara, Team Unconventional Colors for holidays, for holiday nail art. Just let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed Nana's nail art. I could have done better, but sometimes it be like that. Okay, guys, if you stuck around this long, thank y'all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button if you are brand new here. If you are not brand new here, thank you guys so, so, so much for continuing to come back, for continuing to support my content. I really can't thank you guys enough. So I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.